Hey guys, welcome to my cooking channel, and today I am going to share black bean curry recipe with you, which is very healthy, easy to make, and you don't really need a special ingredient for that. So here I have taken black beans which was soaked overnight in water, and then I pressure cooked them with salt with 3 whistles, and I have taken 3/4 cup of black beans. And this I have mixed vegetables. So in mixed vegetables we have peas, corn, green bean, carrots, red pepper, green pepper, edamame beans, which is which is full of protein, iron, calcium, and yeah, so this is whatever vegetables you feel like adding. Like you can also add potatoes, tomatoes, whatever you have at home in your fridge. Just put any vegetables you feel like having it. And here I have half cup of onions finely chopped. Then I also have here finely chopped finely chopped ginger and red chili. And in spices we have turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder. So let's get started, guys. So here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of oil in the pan, and then into this I'm going to add ginger and chili. So now into this I'm going to add our finely chopped onions. So now into the onions we are going to add our mixed vegetables. You can add any vegetables of your choice. You can add broccoli, tomatoes, cauliflower. There is no special requirement for this curry. So we are going to let this vegetable cook for a couple of minutes, and then we will add our spices into the mixture. So now into this we are going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of, or maybe 2 teaspoon of red chili powder. And you can adjust the spices. You don't really need to add 2 teaspoon. You can just add half teaspoon or as per your taste. And then half teaspoon of garam masala powder. And I have also I'm going to add only half teaspoon of salt here, because I have added some salt in the black bean while I was cooking in the pressure cooker. And then let's mix it properly. And then now we are going to let this vegetables cook with spices for another minute, and then we can add our black beans into this. So now after letting vegetables cook with the spices for a minute, I'm going to now add black beans. into this I'm going to add a little bit of more water. Say another half cup of water, and I also added 2 cups of water while I was cooking with the pressure cooker. So this is in total 2.5 cup of water. So now I'm going to let this beans cooked with vegetables and spices for at least 5 minutes with the lid on, which will allow all the spices to absorb into the beans and also let the vegetables cook properly. So I'll see you guys in another 5 minutes. So it's almost 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and now I'm going to check our curry. And I also did give stir in between, so make sure you give a stir in between and see if you want to add more water or as per your choice. So the curry is now ready, and as you can see it's pretty quick to make. It has lots of vegetables and black beans. Everything is very healthy, low calorie, full of fiber, proteins, calcium. So please try this and let me know how it turned out. And this is now ready to serve. So here guys, the black lentil curry, you can either have it with rice or naan bread, or you can also have it with both. So please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you like the recipe or not. And please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.